can I help y'all, young fishes today?
We just chilling, man. We just looking.
Man, I'm looking for some bullshit, really.
Okay, I got some nipple hair for y'all. Who wants this?
Maybe you'll get your freak back,
Is it right around the gill or is it to the side? Like, what's it doing?
It must be a sex store.
Oh, okay. So it spreads out and it goes all around your chest.
Yeah, you can keep that shit away from me, dog.
Nah, I'm good.
Well, I have knuckle grease.
We don't even have knuckles, so why do you have knuckle grease trying to sell it to us?
I ain't even trying to talk to him. You the one like you got the goddamn money.
I damn near rubbed my little fish knuckles out last night. You feel me?
Oh, you had a little fishy fish come by.
No, just a little alone time. But what else you got?
Okay, I got the perfect thing for y'all. How about some invisible spray?
Invisible spray. That sound like some bullshit. And that's exactly what I'm looking for, some bullshit.
We could probably some shit up with this. You feel me?
Now you coming around. All right. Oh, yeah. So this invisible spray will work perfect. Listen, one time, my girl called me with this other bitch. I sprayed the spray on me and the girl, and voila, we was gone.
Yeah, I want to do that too. I want to disappear on my bitch. Avoid all my responsibilities. I mean, how much is it?
I gotta pay rent. My bitch need a new bag.
I can hear you.
10 gills.
What? 10 gills? Hey, man, we just gonna go to another store.
I can take currency.
What kind of currency?
I ain't got nothing but $1,000 on me right now. I don't really.
So!
You gonna give him $1,000 for that shit?
I mean, it ain't shit but $1,000. Just.
Hey, where was you at when I was getting kicked out of my house?
We'll take it.
So, make sure when you're spraying this, you don't spray too much because this
whatever, man. We just taking. Come on, Tub.
Okay. Keisha, come bring your big booty up here and come wrap this for these boys.
Invisible spray. Let me see what the fuck this shit say.
Why give me that shit? You doing all this reading and shit. Look at that.
Man, your arm. Where the hell did this shit go? I can't even see that. Hey, man.
Who's hitting you? It ain't me, because I ain't got no arm or nothing.
Tud, I'm gonna ask you not to.
Yeah. You don't like that, do it? You don't know who hitting you.
Tud, real talk, man.
It's not me, man.
Tud,
Yep.
Yo, this shit ain't really that fun.
It ain't me, because I ain't got no arm.
Alright. Give me that shit then.
Hey, man, where you go?
I don't know. Where am I? I don't even know where I'm is. You smell me over here? How about this?
Hey, man, I don't like this game.
Yeah, I ain't think so. I ain't like that shit either when you was fucking slapping me on my motherfucking face, man. You think this shit is funny?
Yeah.
You think this shit is a joke?
I got something for you. You wanna go invisible? I'm invisible now. Yeah, what's up there?
Hell no. You don't even know where I'm at.
I feel your breath. You that way?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is. You missed. No, I didn't.
I'm just playing. You did hit me. That shit hurt.
Yeah, I know.
Ha!
Hey, man. Yeah. Hey. Oh, hey, man. Oh. Stop. Let me go. I hate you. Take this. You take it. I can't feel my toes. I don't even got toes. I don't even know if I'm fighting you or not. Me either. Where are we?
Hold on.
Yeah, no, man, I'm gonna kill you, man.
Oh, hold on. Hey, you see that?
I see what?
Shit, you thinking what I'm thinking of? Just me.
Oh, yeah. We go around whooping niggas' ass. Just like beating people until they die. Just kill everybody. And they won't even know it's us because we invisible.
Nah, man, I wasn't even. Nah, look across the street. You see that sign?
Oh, what about the sign?
It says females only gym. Like it's only females. We're invisible. We can walk in there, see ass and titties without even being noticed. 1 + 1 is 3, man. Come on now.
Oh, you trying to get a little sneaky peeky.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, smell a little fishy up in this motherfucker,
Hey,
man.
Shh. They gonna hear us. But I don't know if that's a good thing or if that's a bad thing. What you mean by fishy? Like,
It's fishy, man. Just go with it, man. Shut up, dude. We in here full of women. You acting stupid. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4. I smell me some fishy little whores.
oh my God, look at that tail fin. Hey man, stop breathing on my goddamn neck.
I'm sorry, I can't hold it in. Like, got a weakness for little blondies, and the girl with the little blonde in her hair.
Hey, let's beat their ass.
Hey ladies, I have a great idea. Let's all take our towels off and jump around naked.
Yeah, do that shit. I'm already naked.
What?
Oh my God, it's a ghost, run!
Man, god damn, you hornball, you fucked it up for us.
Sometimes I just can't hold myself, you know? It's just, it takes over me.
Yeah. Hey man, and get your damn arm off of me.
Oh, that ain't my arm.
Man, what the? So, I say we run up in that motherfucker and just beat everybody ass.
I was thinking we could just dip ourselves in the peanut butter and slide right in that bitch. Especially in the vault, you know what I'm saying? Because in the vault, it's kind of like...
Shut your horny ass up. You talking about peanut butter and lube and shit. Man, you know what? I'ma just use this right here.
Is that a gun, man?
Your damn Skippy is a gun.
It's not... It ain't even invisible. Like, you're not thinking, Tut. This is exactly what I be talking about.
Oh, it ain't invisible, huh? Wait till I hit it with a little bit of that invisible spray we just bought, Yeah. I'ma just spray it, and then I'ma hold him up.
Damn.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Job number 2. Make it do what it do. La-da-da-da-da. Damn. Okay, I got some seaweed for her later. Oh, wait, look at the stretch marks on that goddamn gill.
Everybody get on the motherfucking ocean floor right now.
On the floor. We ain't fucking playing.
What the Who's saying that?
What? So y'all gonna act like y'all don't hear, I said, everybody, get on. I got a gun.
Oh, what the is going on? Everybody hear that? Damn, I thought I was dreaming.
Tut, this shit ain't working, man. I feel like we came in here with the wrong idea. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, man, it's kind of hard for them to fear me if they don't even know where I'm at. So, I gotta show them somehow that I got the gun.
You about to shoot somebody?
Man, look, would I ever steer you wrong?
Man, I don't really know, man.
I got a gun. Do y'all see me with this? Hold on. Okay. This a real gun. Oh, yeah, you motherfucker. I'll teach you. Look at me. You a real nigga. What? Get us up, man. Cut the sprinkler, man. This sprinkler, man. I'm invisible.
Damn.
Oh.
Tut, we being
shit.
seen. Calm down, man. Put the gun down, man. All the women running away.
Mr. Police, come out with your hands up. We have you surrounded.
What? Come out with you.
They trying to...
You'll never catch us alive. What a spray at? If we can just spray some more spray on.
Where the spray? The spray. What the fuck is spray?
Put your hands up now.
Fucking gun, man. They just start shooting everything.
Put your hands up now, or I'll shoot.
We need the spray. Oh, damn. This is the last resort.
It ain't no more spray left.
It ain't no more spray.
We going to jail.
Well, shit, I'm white, so I ain't really too much worried about it. You feel me? Benefits. Ooh, let me slide right past you real quick. My daddy just gonna pick me up. Excuse me.
We going to jail. Lord. Who is that? This is why I love my job.
Help! Help! I'm drowning! Help! 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 Help me! Help! Help!
Hey, y'all, hey, that nigga drowning. Somebody should help him. Yeah. Looking at this ass. Hey, man, where you go?
I don't know. Where am I?
Good day. I'm with Ray up in the store with a smile on my face. I ain't tryna spend a lot. A rich fish, your boy's not. See a nigga with a suit, he tryna sell me what he got. I don't want no nipple hair. That shit weird, boy, you hot. I don't need no knuckle grease, cause I ain't got no knuckles, see. He like, hold on, he like, wait. I'm like, what you gotta say? Something we just got today. This shit is called invisible spray. He said 10 years that I look right at Ray. Ray said, I'm sorry, I just got a K. Where was you at? I got kept in my place. We bought that shit and we started to spray. Now we invisible, and we fighting. Where you hiding? You see that sign, man? Let's go inside then. Just make sure you silent. She said,
Let's get naked.
man, these girls are wildin'. I was like, yeah, do that, cause that booty too fat. They screaming and shaking. Ray already naked, but let's go to the back door. Keep that bread like panko. He like, what you wait for? I got a gun, no shank though. This gun gon' go away though. I hit it with the spray though. I said get on the ground and I ain't tryna play no play though. They think it's a game, so I let that gun bang. Ray said use your brain, we reappear with the rain. I'm like, what you saying? These fishes gon' feel my pain. Then the cops came, I told Ray get the spray, but that's how your boy got up in here, you know. I ain't no weak fish or nothing, you know what I'm saying? I hold my gills. I hold my gills down, you know what I'm saying? That boy Ray, when I get out of here, it's over with for that boy. That boy is done. He gonna be sleeping with the humans. You feel me? Huh? You get it? Cause we fish. So not sleeping with the fishes, you gonna be sleeping with the humans in the air, cause he can't breathe in the air. Y'all know what I'm saying, cause y'all fishes too. But yeah, man.
Are you gonna eat your kelp bread?
What? No. I'ma eat my kelp bread. What's up then? I see I gotta make another example in this place. Don't mess with me, I'm crazy.
How about some invisible spray?
Invisible spray. That sound like some bullshit. And that's exactly what I'm looking for, some bullshit. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, your arm. Where the hell did shit go? I can't even see that. Hey, man.
Who's hitting you? It ain't me, cause I ain't got no arm or nothing.
Tut, I'ma ask you not to.
Double C, we do love.
Yeah, hey, double C, we the love. Yeah, hey, double C, we the love. Yeah, hey, double C, we the love.
Welcome to the restaurant that look like the Krusty Krab, but it ain't the Krusty Krab in case we get sued or something like that. Place your order, nigga.
Damn, how about a hello, sir, how are you? Anyways, give me 1 second. This is my first time here at the Galley Grub. Let me take a look at the menu real quick. Damn. Sir, why is this so expensive? Where the dollar menu at?
Sir, look around. Look where you at, baby. This ain't no damn Dollar Tree. We exquisite as fuck here. Our lowest price is $3. So if you don't like that, you can hit the highway, nigga.
What you think this is? A Ruth Chris? Come on, man. I'm hungry. I don't have that much time, and I clearly don't have that much money for $3 Krusty Deluxe. Fuck that. Come on.
My nigga, are you familiar with the phrase take it or leave it? That means you can take the prices the way they are or leave, folk boy. Get your single Burger King chicken finger dipped in barbecue sauce looking ass out of here, man.
Look, I'm not about to pay $4 for some crusty ass sandwich that I can make at home. Where's the dollar menu at? That's the last time I'm gonna ask you before I throw this cash register at your head.
Okay, French fry with a fade. Check this out. Ain't no damn dollar menu. I gotta talk to you slow, cause it seems you are retarded, sir. And nigga, you ain't gonna throw shit. You don't even throw away paper plates. You probably wash them bitches and reuse them the next day.
Fry with a... I know you're not talking, sitting here looking like a chocolate pickle with some glasses and a tie on with no neck. Where's your neck at? You have no collar. Stop. Feed me.
Feed you? I ain't responsible for your sun chip wearing a turtleneck looking ass. The turtleneck ain't even on your neck. It's on your shoulders. You got a turtle shoulder on, don't it? No neck nematode looking ass, boy.
I know you're not talking about my turtleneck when your hat covers up your whole back. That's the biggest hat I ever seen. Look at the bill. Who ordered that, Mr. Krabs? That's store official?
Oh, so we roasted now. Nigga, your arm's so long, I bet you can tie your shoes standing straight up. I ain't gotta bend over because I can tie these bitches standing straight up, looking dead at you, tying my shoes. A crispy churro doing a cha-cha slide looking ass, nigga.
Look, I'm done messing with you, bro. You got me here yelling, getting loud, getting thirsty. I need some water. I don't see no drinks on this menu, or other drinks $4.99 too.
I'm sorry, Chef Broke RD, but our water is $4 even with shipping and handling.
Bro, Nick, that was a joke. Nigga, we are underwater. All I have to do is grab a cup, swing it through the air, and get to drinking, and you charging me $4 for that? What?
Oh, that sounds like an amazing idea, Chef Broke RD. Take your cup, go outside, swing that bitch through the air, and I bet you catch something from drinking it.
Man, fuck you.
You know what? I don't care. I don't even know you.
Oh, man, whatever, nigga. I'm out of here anyway. Oh, fake-ass Hannibal Buress. I'm going to the chum bucket where they appreciate their customers.
Nigga, bye. We don't need your business anyway. Appreciate these nuts. Yeah, man, leave, yeah. Chico stick looking at that, boy. Yeah. You know, fuck, man. Man, I need a raise or something for this shit, man. These folks gonna make my blood pressure go up in this bitch. Is that a struggling squid in a box with a coffee mug? Oh, damn, is that you, squid? You fucked up out here. Your dumb ass should never quit if you ain't have a backup plan, baby.
I must be dreaming.
Shh. Don't let nobody know you know me, nigga. I got rep in these streets.
I'm ready.
Hey, my name is TutWeezy, and I bet you're wondering, why am I in this recruitment office right now? It's because they told me I can get paid. I can get enough to get a car, a new car, and maybe a necklace. And that's enough for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't even got to be in the war. They can just put me behind a computer. Everything going to be all right. Everything going to be good.
They lied to me. I thought I was gonna be behind a computer. This ain't no computer. These some shooters. Oh, I want to go home. How I sign up for going home? What the sign up button? Is it like a pause button? Can we stop this? Y'all chill out. If I put my fin up while I'm walking, can y'all not shoot me? Oh my God. This is crazy, man. I just made a new friend today. I met somebody. He was cool. He was a Pisces. We had the same interests. We thought about hanging out. And he got blew up in front of my face. It was crazy. What's Sandy at? Come sing that. I wanna go home. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna go home. Oh.
She said,
Let's get naked.
man, these girls are wildin'. I was like, yeah, do that. Cause that booty too fat. They screaming and shaking. Ray already naked. But let's go to the back door. Get that bread like panko. He like, what you waiting for? I got a gun, no shank though. This gun gon' go away though. I hit it with the spray though. I say get on the ground and I ain't tryna play no play though. They think it's a game.